Hey guys, Shelly here. Just finished my workout and I look awful, but you know what? Animals don't care. And so I'm gonna show y'all what happens whenever I open the back door. I'm trying to open the door quietly so they don't hear me yet. Okay, I have been spotted. This is my morning greeting. Everybody's here and comes a-running. There's the flyer coming down. See, I don't see our other flyer. That one might be at the pond or hanging around somewhere. And look, they're running to the back because they know that food is coming. So let's try to walk out without stepping on chickens. Hear the madness? Watch this. In just a second, it'll get really quiet. Come on. Whew, peace and quiet for a second. Hey, little duck, you can come out. Come on. Come on. There you go. And here's the quail. Check their feed, make sure everybody's got food. There's quail grow-outs. Hey guys. Let's see. Yep, you need food. These guys eat a lot, but we have a lot of them in here. So on this side, we only have 4 or 5 each cage, and these are the ones that we hatched. We've got maybe 15 or so in there. So I just turned the water on there, and that is filling up our rabbit waterer that's around here. So I have to keep an eye on that as I'm feeding these guys. This was not here yesterday, so I guess the chickens got in here and knocked it down. And these dogs don't appreciate me standing here talking to you. They just want their breakfast. More mud. We did put a bale of hay down on this side, so at least you can walk through it now without getting stuck. Alright. So each of these ladies gets 6 ounces of food, and we do have a cup that measures 6 ounces, but after you've done this over and over and over, you don't have to measure it every time. And these guys, we put the water there so the chickens don't jump up here and eat their food, because these get more food than the others, since these are our grow-outs. And we're just, my boots keep getting stuck. Here's more grow-outs. Put that back where it goes. And I'm going to have to turn the water off because our water is filled up. Water's turned off. I'm going to grab this cage and set it back up here. We really do not like having chickens roosting above our rabbits. But this fence that separates the 2 sections, I don't think you can see it with the sunshine. Well, maybe you can right here. We have chicken wire that starts about 8 or 10 inches off the ground, And we did this intentionally. We did it so that the young chickens could escape the older ones whenever they're getting used to one another. Well, right now we have young chickens, and they're almost to the age or the size where they can't get underneath there, but not quite. So they get over here and they roost on top of there, and I just cannot stand it. So we put all this stuff on top, just trying to keep them away from me. So probably in another 2 weeks they'll be too big to get across, and we won't have this problem. We'll clean all this up. But right now it's just really nasty and it's really frustrating. So here's more grow out. So we fill them up. So we want them to grow up and be fat and happy. And that's it. So right now we're just trudging through the muddy mess every day, trying to take care of everybody. At least it's not freezing today, and the sun is actually shining for a change. There's one of our flyer ducks. Let me go back to this side. Stuck on the fence. Hey girl, what you doing up there? Huh? She knows that she can get through right there. We have this netting up at the top to keep owls and hawks out of here. But our two flyer ducks have learned, see that one squish across? Our two flyer ducks have learned exactly how to get in and out. So I hope that they don't teach the owls and all the predators how to do that. I was going to see if the ducks wanted to go to the pond, but it looks like only one duck is going to follow me. And this one can fly, so I don't know why she's coming with me. She can go whenever she wants to. Hi, duck. I wanted to show y'all the view from my window as I eat lunch. There's the three amigos. There's some of the ducks sunning. There's another one you can't see as well. Everybody's relaxing, enjoying the sunshine today. Maybe it'll dry up some of the mud.